Hey guys, it's Naisha, and today I'm going to be talking about data types in Java. So, what are data types? Data types are used to store different sizes and values in a variable. For example, there are different data types for integer, boolean, string, and so on. Java is statically typed programming language, which means that types of variables have to be known at compile time instead of at runtime. Data types are of two types, which is primitive, also known as fundamental data type, and non-primitive or reference data type. Now let's talk about primitive data type. Primitive data type comes as a part of the Java compiler. These are of two types, numeric and non-numeric data type. Numeric data type is used to store constants, and it consists of integer and floating point data type. Integer data type includes byte, short, int, and long, while floating point data type includes float and double. Floating point basically handles all decimal values. Non-numeric data type are character and boolean data types and are used to store character literals. We look into further details later on. Now let's look at reference data type. These are more complex data types and are derived from primitive data type. They are objects, arrays, and interfaces where the memory address of an object is stored. The variables which store the address is called the reference variables, and the data type is called the reference data type. Now let's look at a few details of primitive data type. Boolean has a size of 1 bit and its values are true and false. Byte has a size of 8 bits and its range of values are from -128 to 127. Char has a size of 16 bits and its range of values are character representation of ASCII values from 0 to 255. Short has a size of 16 bits as well and stores values from -32,768 to 32,767. Int has a size of 32 bits and stores an even larger range of values. Long has a size of 64 bits and stores even larger range of values. Float has a size of 32 bits and stores up to 7 decimal digits. Double has a size of 64 bits and stores up to 16 decimal digits, which is even larger than the float. Now, let's look at some of the data types in a Java code. In this example, there are 3 integers that are defined, and in the next line, a value is being assigned to one of the integers. The integer is an example of the primitive data type. There's also an example of an array of integers right here. And this array stores 12 values, and as you know, it's an example of reference data type. And finally, we see an object of data type SC, and SC is an instance of the scanner class. I hope this helps you in a better understanding of data types. Thank you.